My name is Jacob Jones. I'm an alumnus of the Texas Technology Student Association, and I've sat through many keynotes. It's very rare that a performer manages to capture my attention in a way that I can't help but be part of the performance and be part of the audience. And this performance did. I was caught along by some of the magic tricks. I was caught along by some of the jokes, and it really connects you to the message in a way that someone who sits on the edges of performances like I do, I don't really get to see that a lot. And getting to see that is really something that makes this conference amazing.